Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox and review the official Google Pixel 6a case, which is available to purchase on Amazon and from Google directly. So this is essentially a gel case, which is made by Google. It's the official accessory. And one of the key features of this is that it's made from 30% recycled plastic. Yes, close to a third of the case itself is made from recycled plastic. So that's great to see. Packaging is pretty simple. Shows you what's in the box on the lid, Google logo, and a nice little canvas tab at the top here. This is obviously meant for retail stores, but nice little touch there. And just as with other Google Pixel products, it's a very accessible, easy to get to bit of packaging. Having said that, I've just ripped off the edge. It's not great. So I don't think this is working as intended, but anyway, we can get into the case. It's simple. There is no styrofoam insert, it's just the case itself with a little bit of cardboard. No other documentation, no details apart from that. And it should be pretty self-explanatory. In this case, what I'm going to do is just slide my Google Pixel 6a into the case, and it's a nice, smooth Google official case. Now, it does dull down the green on my olive green or sage green Google Pixel 6a. You can still tell it's green underneath that, so it's not all bad. And as usual, you have a decent cutout for the camera visor, so that's still there. There is an additional Google logo, G, embossed on the back of the case. At the top, there's the expected cutout for, in this case, a microphone hole. Nothing to speak of on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, we have the symmetrical cutouts for speakers and microphone, and a USB Type-C port for that all-important Type-C port. Now, no issues with access to the fingerprint scanner. It's an in-screen fingerprint scanner, so you can turn it on and off easily. There is a slight raise. If we look at it from the side here, you can see there's a slight raise here for the button extensions. So you have power on and off, and that works as expected. And then you have volume up and down. So let's check how sticky, if they are sticky, these buttons are. And it's pretty responsive, no extra push. Overall, looks like a good case. Little detail at the top here, you can see that there is a little lip for the earpiece to ensure that you get good sound quality coming out of the top of the phone. It's all as expected. Now, there is a slight raise, I'd say about 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter from the screen to the edge of the case. So you might have slightly less responsive swipes from off screen. This does work fine, but it does add a little bit of a lip there, which is good, because in the context of putting your phone down on a flat surface, you do get a little bit of raise. And the similar lip is available at the camera visor as well. The cutout gives you about 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter of protection there. So it has a little bit of depth. So I would say, value for money, I would question this case, especially considering we've covered other much more featured cases, such as this beautiful Mocadile one purchased on AliExpress. But for the status symbol, for having the Google official accessory, I'd say this case is pretty decent value for money. Especially since you're going to be saving at least a third of a polar bear, having that 30% recycled plastic in the case. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase the Google Pixel 6a case. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you soon.